do here is to get it out magnets without getting a chisel or, pounding on this to knock them out. You're most likely to break them. I found if you put them in a vise, tighten them just a little bit where they bend, and rotate it, tighten it, just kind of go around and do that a few times. That loosens them from the glue. Now I can just simply less chance of breaking them anyways. And if they're not coming out very easy, rotate them and squeeze them again. Just do it until you get them all out. Non-cracked, non-chipped magnets. Just four that got cracked and chipped. Which is a lot better than what I get in the past with